Hi, my name is Jen of Sunflower's Cottage, and this is my very first YouTube video. I purchased this house in 2020, the very end in December, and it was a fixer-upper. That might be a little generous. There were spots where the carpet was the only thing holding you out of the crawl space. But I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to fix up a home, and I had the opportunity. The thing is, I have no idea what I'm doing. I am learning as I go, and I'm making mistakes, and I am relearning, and it's been quite a journey. And I want to share that. I have gotten so much inspiration and knowledge off of YouTube that I'm hoping that maybe by opening mine up, some people can learn as well. This includes the mistakes and the ugliness along with the successes. For my first video, I'm doing something a little simpler. I grabbed a couple cutting boards from the thrift store that were well loved, and I'm giving them a new surface so that I can enjoy them for years to come. I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment. Any questions you have, I'll be more than happy to answer. And thank you so much for watching. I picked up 2 cutting boards at the thrift store for $2.50 each and wanted to see if I can freshen them up a bit. As you can see, both of them, especially the smaller one, were well loved, lots of cut marks, some water marks, a few small gouges, no big repairs. There are some black marks on the back as well as this engraving that was burned in. I don't expect to be able to get that off completely, but I'm hoping to at least take it down some. The first step is always to wash everything. Dawn is great for this because it'll help get off any grease or any wax or any food stuff that's been left on. Then it was time to sand everything down. I started with 120 because I didn't expect to take off that much material. This is about when I realized the indentation was deeper than I thought, and I needed to switch back to 80 grit. I'm new to using Odie's oil. Well, I'm new to all of this, but this stuff really impresses me. It comes really thick. You need to stir it until it's about the consistency of honey. And a little bit goes a very long way. It's food safe, and it's not like a normal oil. It actually dries to a wax finish in the wood fibers, so it just feels like a smooth, moisturized, healthy piece of wood throughout its entire life. And if there's ever a scratch or something that needs to be repaired, you can simply add a little more oil to that spot. Odie's oil really brings out the natural color of the wood. There are some pigments that you can add to it, and there's also an Odie's dark oil, but I haven't had the chance to try either of them just yet. I'll wait about 45 minutes to an hour and then come back to buff out any of the remaining oil on the surface. You really do want to use this stuff sparingly. It makes this step a lot easier. Trust me, I made mistakes on subsequent projects. And it also keeps you from wasting the oil. It's not a cheap product, and you want it to go as far as it can. Overall, a pretty easy project on $5 worth of cutting boards from the thrift store. Have a look at the reveal and let me know what you think, and if you'd like to see more little projects like this along with some bigger ones that I'll definitely be posting later.